A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are well. It is yet another day. It is the day of the wedding. So, okay, I went to the kitchen. Ouch. I went to the kitchen to make porridge. That's why I was wearing this duke and this apron. But I'm gonna take these two off. So that I can now finish up this ohamba ndiye emtshatweni. So for once I am spoiled for choice. Where's my scarf? Okay, first things first, I'm gonna use this scarf. I think red makes sense because my dress has a touch of red. So we can start with that right away. Is it right away, Nankona? I could tell you motion come. But then for apron, I've got two options. I've got the one that goes with the dress. I also have this option. So I've got two options, but I think I'm gonna take the set because my scarf is red, unless I wear the white scarf. But even this one, iyangena kule outfit. Let's see. But this one nayo is perfect. Anyway, this one is part of it. Ne? Then for Duke, I've got three options for Duke. I'm spoiled for choice. I've got this black one. Wait. No, not this one. No, I don't want this one. I want this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Guys, it's the wedding. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one. Come in. That was Lily. Okay, so this one. This was given to me by Umalumegas. And I think I'm gonna wear this one, guys. Guys, in I just want to show you guys the options that I have. As you know, I'm a proper makoti, guys, in outfits. And when I even have options to choose from. I've got this one. And then I can go with this red. I can go with this red if I want to. Let me see. I can go with this red if I want to. And then Lee came with the dress. Ooh, this one came with the dress. This one. So I'm spoiled for choice. But I think I think this is the most beautiful one that I own at the moment. So I'm using this one. So we're using this one. Is back up. Okay, there's on Bona late. And then this apron. Nesi scarf, yabo. Ezindiyaziyeka. Oh, and then also on shoes, I've got two options. Guys, hasn't been like girl. So, is. My worry is getting secret socks for this one. I didn't bring the black secret socks. And if any other color is I think that's my disadvantage with this one. With this one. So I'm gonna I think I'm gonna go with the drip. I'm gonna go with this drip. This was from Nikki. Okay, let me try and see if I can wear this without secret socks. I'm gonna try. Then what is the outfit of the day? Like when I'm done, I think I'll just put a picture up on the screen. And also, guys, one thing I noticed yesterday is it's not gonna be easy for me to vlog at the wedding because a kitchen. I'm gonna be in the kitchen. I was busy yesterday already as it is. I went there yesterday, but I couldn't even show you guys what was doing. And then outside, I think my name is skipper band. My flag is skipper pants. It's cold. Let me put on a skipper pants. Okay, let me just quickly speak to you guys. So, I went yesterday, the figures at Pagwa and then the Paga and then Namba. And then we went to see Usmakoti, Ehluma. And then, yeah. She asked me this morning, Auntie, please vlog at the wedding. I'm like, yeah, finance when this is kitchen in the pack and this, so I don't think I'll be able to capture in moments because I'm just basing. So yeah, but to go to the wedding, I'll try again to show you snippets if I get an opportunity. If I don't, Andrea's name, but I'll do my best. So yeah, guys, and then I'll show you the pictures, the final look of the day. I'm not sure if it's all faga makeup. I thought, but my foundation, because I'm still waiting for Onge. So I think I still have time. The redeem 9 o'clock I'm going to ready. But in makeup, I'll just put foundation if I fit. So yeah, and this is me. This is the final look. I am done. Let me just show you guys. So yeah, these are the options I went with. I went for the red shoe as well. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Oh God, was Tamba. Why, Nana?
I wanted to go with you, and I'm looking for food for the cat.
Go ask us later for the food for the cat.
Okay.
Yo, guys, have kids, and they talk outside first. Yes, zibuliselene. Kumnyama kulimisi. So guys, I'm with Onge e front, I'm with Usislimise e back. Usislimise guys ngilobe sando chata apha ezinyangeni. I-wedding yakhe sayi-vlogger. Nanku ke umchati because that day I didn't get a chance to show you. Yakhumbula okunetha nonetha. Zange ubonakala ifoni sesifake empokothweni, it was raining. Yeah guys, we are on our way ke ngokuthiwa emtshatweni. Yo guys, we are so late. It's 10 to 11. Beste sofika ngo-9. I think besibeke u-9. 10 to 11. But ndizifumene into zikamakoti yazi usimakoti shem. Or rather the bride. She's the bride for today. Yeah. So yes, sithi aba. Whatever you take. Even say it also Bizan.
Because I like in fact, I'm thinking about last time I was here, Nanzeku Obak, like Ilalia, I believe. One little panitiba. Last time I was here, but Nanza going today, Obak. And then the fee, I it was not far from
Guys, uzodibana namemazweni ondibuzile ukhanathi no wasemthatha khona zozoyifuna abaninzi ondipsi common gama kandipsi wathi no MC uyabuza uzolahleka na ngithi hayi uzolahleka yena ungenaphi into zalapha
uthela ukhona
etha ayikwa ndawo hayi ke basini milele sokuthala
Iyabanda futhi.
Ndikhangela nini ke sana? Şaba sus.
Cela wonke umuntu onendawo yokuhlala ahlale kweli cala lam lase-right lasekunene licala lakulo mkhwenyana. Sicela sonke siphakameni umakhwenyana. Umakhoza ngiyacela sike siphithizele zangohleka ngawuthi
Sabuni ke mina. Njengoba ngiyaphendula ngomhlawo yinkaloko mfowethu. Kusikeni inhlakalo zemfiso zonke zaphila. Yanyana nabo malone besiza uba ningabo ke nasenivuma elokuma niyiphethe envelope yomngcwabo sawusesiqhuma sibongile ngicela